How to edit photos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit photos on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the Instagram app, just tap on the plus icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the section, at the bottom you'll see multiple tabs. From there you can simply select post, and after that now you can either take a photo or select photos from the gallery as well. And now here, once you have selected the media, you can just tap on next, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, on the next option, you would see edit button, which can be seen at the bottom right side of the screen. So there you can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll see different editing options like brightness, contrast, and much more. Now here you can simply select brightness and move the slider right or left to increase or decrease the brightness. And here, once done, you can just tap on finished, and here with that you can also edit the contrast, lux, structure, warmth, saturation, and much more. You can just repeat the same process for each settings, and here once you're done with everything, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next section you can add captions, tags, location, and music if you want. And finally, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on share. And that's it. That's how you can edit photos on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.